Hello, today we will get the Laplace of e raised to 80 u of t. To get the Laplace, we will use the equation Laplace of f of t is equal to the integral of negative st f of t dt with the limits 0 to up to positive infinity. So our f of t is e raised to 80 u of t. So the Laplace of e raised to 80 u of t is equal to integral of e negative st times the f of t, which is e raised to 80 u of t dt with the limit 0 to positive infinity. So how will we solve it, the integral? So first, we have our e raised to negative st and e raised to 80. So the rule is when you are multiplying numbers or variables with the same base, we will have to add it. That will be equal to e a minus s t u of t dt with the limit 0 up to positive infinity. Now we can simplify it. So what is the derivative of e raised to a minus s times t? That will be equal to 1 over a minus s e a minus s times t with the limit 0 up to positive infinity. To get this, we will be using the b minus a. B is the value of this with infinity, and a is the value of the equation with the 0. So let us substitute 1 over a minus s e a minus s times positive infinity minus 1 over a minus s e raised to a minus s times 0. So how will we get this? Imagine that our equation is equal to 1 over a minus s up to positive infinity. So we have our e raised to positive infinity. That will be a very big, large number. So imagine that we will divide our 1 to a very large number. So the answer will be almost equal to 0. So that will be almost equal to 0. So we can also say that our equation here is equal to 0. So here we have e a minus s raised to 0. If we will multiply the s in here, the equation will be e raised to 0, which has also be equal to 1. So that it will be equal to 1 over a minus s e raised to 0 is equal to negative 1 over a minus s times 1. So we can simplify negative 1 over negative s minus a times 1. Cancel the negative sign. We have 1 over s minus a. So the Laplace of e raised to 80 u of t is equal to 1 over s minus a.